Photos that will restore your faith in humanity. Every morning, this man takes his sick dog to the lake because it helps his pain subside. Whenever these window cleaners go to a children's hospital, they wear superhero costumes to cheer the sick kids up. This girl's name is Jacqueline, and she helped a disabled runner finish a marathon in Taiwan, costing her first place. Every Sunday, a hairstylist in New York goes downtown to give free haircuts to the homeless. This little autistic kid had a birthday party and none of his classmates showed up, so his mom decided to ask for help on Facebook, and a bunch of cops showed up and made his birthday very special. You're only allowed to subscribe if this warmed your heart.